Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be learning how to turn off mentions in Threads, and now let's dive right in. Now to turn off mentions in Threads, first open up your Threads app on your phone, as I've already opened it. And after opening your Threads app on your phone, you land on this interface, which is the home interface of Threads. Now on this interface, at the bottom right corner of the screen, you can see there's a person or a profile icon available for us. Tap on the person icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and you land over here, which is the profile interface of your Threads account. And on this interface, at the top right corner of the screen, you can see the two-lined icon available for us just beside the camera icon. Tap on the two-lined icons at the top right corner of the screen and you land over here where you can see the privacy option available for us just below the archive or just above the accessibility. Tap on privacy and you can see the mentions options available for us when you land over here just below the private profile option. Tap on mentions and you can see, guys, in order to turn off or disallow the mentions in Threads, here is the option for everyone, profile you follow, and no one. If you tap on the no one section over here, then all of the mentions in your Threads account will be turned off or nobody will be able to mention you in Threads. And that being done, guys, this is how to turn off mention in Threads. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.